When it comes to deep cleaning and sanitizing your home without harsh chemicals, high-temperature steam cleaners are one of the most effective solutions. From kitchen hoods and air conditioners to floors and carpets, these machines use powerful steam to remove grease, stains, and bacteria with ease. After watching the video, don't forget to check the links in the description below for the latest prices. Now let's get started. Number 1. TINSOL New Handheld High-Temperature Steam Cleaner. The TINSOL New Handheld High-Temperature Steam Cleaner is designed for users who need powerful and precise cleaning for greasy kitchen areas. Its compact handheld design allows easy control while cleaning kitchen hoods, stovetops, tiles, and other hard surfaces. The high-temperature steam effectively loosens stubborn oil stains and dirt without the need for harsh chemicals. This makes it suitable for households that prefer safer and more hygienic cleaning methods. The electric heating system provides fast heat-up, allowing users to start cleaning quickly without long waiting times. Its focused steam output helps reach corners and tight spaces where grease often builds up. The lightweight body makes it comfortable to use for extended periods without causing hand fatigue. It is especially useful for deep cleaning tasks that require accuracy rather than wide surface coverage. The steam pressure remains stable during use, ensuring consistent cleaning performance. This cleaner is ideal for regular kitchen maintenance, as well as occasional deep cleaning sessions. Overall, the TINSOL Handheld Steam Cleaner offers a good balance of portability, cleaning power, and ease of use for everyday household cleaning needs. Number 2. High-Temp Steam Cleaner Household Use. This high-temperature household steam cleaner is made for tough, greasy cleaning jobs at home. It produces strong steam pressure that easily breaks down stubborn oil stains, especially on kitchen range hoods and appliances. The high heat helps loosen deep-set grime, so you don't need heavy scrubbing. Because it uses only steam, there's no need for harsh chemicals, making cleaning safer and more hygienic. It works very well on air conditioners, exhaust fans, and metal surfaces where grease and dust build up over time. The machine is built for regular use, so it's a good choice for homes that need frequent deep cleaning. Steam output stays steady, giving consistent results from start to finish. Operation is simple and practical, without complicated controls. Overall, this steam cleaner is ideal if you want strong cleaning power for demanding household tasks. Number 3. 1.2L High-Temp Steam Cleaner. The 1.2-liter high-temperature steam cleaner is perfect for longer cleaning sessions. Its large water tank lets you clean more areas without stopping again and again to refill. This makes it great for kitchen hoods, air conditioners, home surfaces, and even car interiors. The high-temperature steam helps remove grease, bacteria, and bad odors while also supporting better hygiene. Steam pressure remains consistent, so cleaning performance stays reliable on different surfaces. It supports both 220V and 110V power, with EU and US plug options, making it flexible for different regions. The stable design improves balance and control during use. It works best on hard surfaces that need deep cleaning. Overall, this steam cleaner offers a good mix of power, capacity, and versatility for everyday deep cleaning needs. Number 4. Steam Mop Cleaner for Home. The Steam Mop Cleaner for Home is designed to provide efficient floor cleaning along with surface sanitizing. It uses high-temperature steam to loosen dirt and grime, allowing effective cleaning without chemical detergents. The mop-style design makes it easy to move across large areas, such as living rooms and kitchens. This cleaner is suitable for use on sealed floors, tiles, and other hard surfaces. The steam-based system helps maintain a cleaner and healthier indoor environment. In addition to floors, it can also be used for cleaning kitchen surfaces and air conditioner panels. The balanced design offers smooth handling and steady control during operation. It is suitable for regular maintenance cleaning, as well as deeper cleaning sessions. The steam output remains consistent, ensuring even results across surfaces. This cleaner is ideal for households looking for a simple and practical steam cleaning solution. Overall, the Steam Mop Cleaner provides reliable performance for everyday home cleaning tasks. Number 5. DayPlus Steam Mop and Detachable Steam Cleaner. The DayPlus Steam Mop and Detachable Steam Cleaner is designed for users who want versatility and strong performance in one machine. It features a powerful 1,500-watt heating system that produces high-temperature steam for effective cleaning. This steam mop works well on carpets, laminate, hardwood floors, and sealed surfaces. The detachable handheld unit allows focused cleaning for kitchens, bathrooms, and tight corners. This dual-function design adds flexibility to everyday cleaning routines. The 400 milliliters water tank supports efficient cleaning sessions without frequent refilling. The included washable pads provide reusable convenience and long-term value. Steam output remains stable, helping remove dirt while sanitizing surfaces. The machine is suitable for both light daily cleaning and deeper cleaning tasks. Its design balances power with ease of use. Overall, the DayPlus Steam Mop offers strong performance, versatility, and convenience for whole home steam cleaning needs. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.